There were reports that Samsung will release an improved version of One UI 6 for select Galaxy phones in late July, however this did not occur, and Samsung did not comment on it. Now that Android 14 is almost set for release, Samsung's German branch inadvertently published an announcement regarding the One UI 6 beta program too soon. The announcement was taken down, however they did highlight some of the improvements that would be included in the upcoming UI upgrade. Samsung intends to modernize the design of One UI 6 by modifying the appearance of several elements of the screen. The Fast panel, which provides shortcuts for frequently used items, will be improved to enable you get to those items quickly. They're also relocating the dark mode and eye comfort shield buttons, which will function similarly to how they do on iPhones. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen in One UI 6 to view additional choices in the Fast panel. In the announcement that was removed, Samsung mentions a feature about being able to utilize various wallpapers at different times, such as when your Galaxy phone goes into sleep mode, the wallpaper may change to something that suits how you're feeling. They also discussed a new camera widget that allows you to transfer certain photographs to where you wish them to be kept. One UI 6 should include many of the improvements that Google has shown off as part of Android 14. According to Samsung's statement, the improved version of One UI 6 will begin for the Galaxy S23 series in the United States, Korea, and Germany. Based on how Samsung has done beta testing in the past, it is probable that other nations and Galaxy phones will be included in the testing later on. The most thrilling time has come for Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra users. Samsung has officially launched the One UI 6.0 beta program for its current non-folding flagship series. Those interested may participate in the program to test the Android 14-based One UI 6.0 upgrade before the final version of the new software is released to the public. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.